She's real fine, my 409. Giddy up, 409. 409. It kinda rhymes. Alright, those Williamson boys were at it again. They were off to the races, or at least a car show, to see what could be seen. That big red. Cab over design. Look at that cab. Cab on cab design. Got ice cream. Saw some license plates. Learned about the states. Eat just the roll. It was a pretty good day. I am holding on to you, sir. Oh, that's old.
Pick me up real easy.
Another one over there. Oh, wait.
It's a convertible.
It is a convertible Jeep.
A roof flipped up.
Yeah, the roof flipped off. Let's buy his tires. Oh, how narrow it is. You can almost drive that around the lawn. Yeah. Fan. Cool hood. I had a Volkswagen Bug like that at one time. Can you imagine that, Trey? I had a car like that. Not that color, nothing. That's a nice hubcap, huh?
Daddy, that look like Mater.
You gotta see Mater? Mater looks different.
Yeah, that Mater looks different.
Sally's. Look at those cool air intake right there.
Look at that Mater.
Yeah, look at Mater. Lost this hood. Oh, look at the chain on there. And the little dog on the thing. So many great details on this.
Mater is different.
It's different. Got the patina. Little bulldog over there, too. Let's look around on the other side. Got the dualies. Well, that's bad.
It's a toe.
Yeah, it's like a tow truck. Man, crank it on that.
Sure.
See the little miniature?
That card in there.
Yeah.
That card can be in there.
I know it could be in there. It's just for a show of the thing. Got a great book.
Look at in the front of that card, Abby.
Oh yeah, there's all sorts of toys over here, huh? Yeah. Beautiful Pontiac. Look at that. Never seen a motor like that. That's like a brand new. Wow. Wow, look at this painting. Look at that. Spooky. All sparkly?
I'm gonna mac it truck. Pick me up, Daddy. Don't take a picture, Daddy.
You know what, a photo? It's a photo of us. Oh, this car, Trey. Look at those great tires. Cooper Cabras. Hey, chrome? Oops. Wrong way. Another beautiful car.
What?
Canastota. Man, great paint job. Trey, look who's inside of this one. Who's that? Is that Goofy? Goofy. Lucas has Goofy? Oh, I love this air intake. Oh, the states. North Dakota, Alabama, Colorado, Nebraska, South Carolina, Virginia, Hawaii, Oklahoma, Kansas, Mississippi, California, Minnesota, Pennsylvania. Oh, the lenses. Need one of these lenses for Mom's van?
No.
Very windy out today. Man, now I've lost track of where we've already walked. Going around the other side, I guess. What happened to the hot dog? Just want to eat the roll. This is windy. Trey, a Cutlass Supreme. Beautiful car. Check out this Chevy Bel Air quad cab. Oh, that slope of that roof. Great deal. Yeah, windy. Hey, you get some ice cream?
Hey.
You're not walking.
I can't walk far away.
Look at how shiny this thing is.
I can't walk far away.
Huh. Is that a Volkswagen Bug? I think that's a Volkswagen Bug. Could be wrong. Convertible? British flavor? Oh, this one. I love those lights. Wow, look at the details on those lights. That's pretty neat.
Pull your car in. You can go
Beautiful
out
grill.
with your tractor tent.
When I was a little kid, my parents had a dune buggy like this. Let's see. What? Volkswagen motor? Based on the Volkswagen Bug. Air cooled. Oh, look at that beautiful gremlin. Don't see one of these every day. Great interior. Beautiful car. Look at that beautiful pink car. Mercury. I think. Mercury Marauder? Yeah. Don't see a Chevy Vega every day. Yeah, there's a Bel Air. What do we see? Some nice ones over there. Wow, the motor in there. The stuff I don't expect in a Chevy Vega. Twin cam. Trey, you ever riding a cab before?
No.
That's a nice one.
That's a that don't have a Jeep.
That's definitely a fire truck.
Oh, I
Look
know.
at this truck over here.
And he picked me up way
Look
high.
at that blade on there. That's pretty neat.
A skeleton
There is a skeleton there.
in a Halloween.
Hey, it's Rat Fink. Are you part of the Rat Fink Club?
No.
Look at the dualies on that bad boy. Oh yeah, this thing is amazing. Look at this thing inside here.
A skeleton dog.
There is the skeleton dog. Wow, look at the stacks.
That skeleton is bad.
Utica Rome Speedway. Beautiful car. Nice motor in there. Distributor in front on this bad boy. What a hood. Check out this duster. Check out the tires on that bad boy. The wide tire.
Is there a car in there?
Oh, I don't know.
Toy car.
Oh, this one.
An
This one's got the,
eagle.
yeah. The Thunderbird, no, not Thunderbird. Firebird. Sir, you love a camper van.
Cat on the car.
Yeah, you go camping in there. There's Smokey the, only you can commit forest fires. Curtains. Oh, this car, it's got a wooden bumper. Little teeth. Note this down, Trey. Oh wait, here's a pencil. What a great use of a truck.
Growling.
Get that racer on it.
Daddy, you're growling.
I'm growling.
No.
A nice truck. Sir, are you hungry? You want to eat a cheeseburger?
No.
Pepsi?
No, Dad.
Oh, this thing got the wooden spokes on it. Nice horn. It's got a little spooky hood on this thing. Oh yeah, look at the patina. With the nice sweet patina. Hey, it's us. The daddy and the baby. The little baby.
Skeleton.
Silly skeleton, look at this Pontiac. Orange peel. Nice 442. Got the twirly antenna. The color on that car.
I won't go in the house.
You want to go in the house?
I won't go home.
Alright, we can get going.
Go to
That engine bay is full of stuff. A beautiful blue stripe on there.
Look at that.
Yeah. In line. Playground time. Oh, it is still windy out here. Car show's just over there. You're so much bigger than last time we're out here. Oh, you should have kept your sweatshirt on.
Oh, I go way up.
You bonked your head up there, huh? That's okay. Well, there goes the car show. Yeah, well, some of them are. But we're going home. So it's a good time. Yes, sir? Oh, yeah, that's pretty full already. What's going on? It is. Pretty good turnout today. Got Erie Canal over there. I can't really see it. Have to imagine other side of the tree row. Yeah, let's take a look at the Madison County building. Looks great. Ah, the wind. Look over this way. So it looks nice. Another building. Somebody dragging some chains. This other Madison County building. Yes, sir. I'm almost done. Yes, sir. It's right above my head. Oh, there's the car show again. Alright, down we come. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Oh, what's going on with that? Jumping all over the place. Let's come down. You're good. Alright, go back down. So windy. Fighting the wind. Whoa. It is windy today. Car show is over there. Man, it is absolutely taking my hat off right now. Can you see the car show? There it is. Alright, go back down. So windy. Fighting the wind. You have a great day. Thanks for watching.